What's up guys, it is your girl Portia P. We are back with another tutorial. So today we're going to be doing a tutorial on bare lace wig. Now, if you are a newbie, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, my loyalties, if you are a loyalty in my last video, right there, I wore this wig on my birthday. I wore it on my birthday, and I said in the video that, you know, if anybody wants me to do a tutorial on it, I will on this wig. But if y'all do want to know what kind of wig this is, I can definitely do a video on it if you want me to. But if nobody don't say, and my sister in Christ, she was like, do the video. So I was like, okay, you know what, say less, I'm gonna do the video. Took me a minute because I just had a procedure done, so that's why I'm a little bit late on it, because my birthday was February the 6th. Make sure y'all go check my video out. Okay, it's my birthday. This wig is worn. I have worn this wig twice already, but I'm gonna give y'all all the specs and details, and also what I think about this wig. She can't get tangly. So now this is a synthetic wig. This is not human. I did not have time on my birthday to sit down in a salon chair or even at home to apply all these curls and all that kind of stuff. No, I needed something synthetic, beautiful, curly, and ready to go. So the price of this wig is $74. It was $65.99. That was the price. This is the Sensational Bare Lace 13x6 Unit 15, and the color that I got is Flamboyage Blonde. Y'all know I love my blonde, okay? And this was at my local beauty supply store, so she was $65.99, basically $70, okay? So the packaging, there it is. The packaging was very beautiful. There it is right there. Okay, super cute. I mean, I'm talking about my birthday. I was like, I want curls. Okay, and I got time to be playing. So I basically gonna tell y'all how it looks. You got two combs right here at the side of the head. You got two combs at the top, and you got one at the nape, and then you have the strings that will attach. You have the two at the bottom that you can place in there, and then you have the strap to hold on. So it has a lot of accessibility, a lot to help keep your wig gripped on, okay? And like I said, I have worn her twice. Very beautiful hair, very full. Wow, she's full. Okay, so let's go ahead and apply her so y'all can see how I did it. Okay, y'all, so with this wig, as you can see, I'm not doing a ball cap method. I just pull my hair back with all my hair going back into a ponytail. That's all I have done. Okay, and what I'm gonna do, what I did was cut the lace off the front. All I did was cut the lace off. That's all I did. I don't even think I put no makeup in the on the lace. I didn't do that either because I was rushing. Okay, like I was saying, she goes all the way back there, y'all. That's how far back she goes. It goes far back. Okay, so we're gonna do a side part today. I'm gonna lay her down just a little bit, not too much, because you really don't need to. But I do want my lace to have like a little bit of a melt effect. So and y'all, like I said, don't come for me because this wig has been worn twice. I wore it on my last video on my birthday. I just want to show you guys the wig if you are interested in buying it. If you're like, oh bro, that wig was tough. I like that. You know, I'm telling you, oh, so you can see my stocking cap, but it's fine because we're gonna do a side part. You won't even be able to tell. Okay, so let's pair off what we're gonna do it. This is a lot of hair. If you ain't a fan of a lot of hair, sis ain't for you. Sis is not for you. I'm a fan of a lot of hair, y'all. I like a lot of hair, and yeah, I love a lot of hair. I don't just run your fingers through the curls to kind of break them up too when you wear it a second time. And you can get some spray for her too. I'm gonna show y'all the spray that I got. But you can have spray for that. That will help you to keep that from doing that. Move my wig a little bit over. But let's go ahead and melt her down. Let's go ahead and melt her down. I'll be right back. I'm sure you guys remember this routine that I'm about to do. Right now, clamp my hair up. Now I'm just going to apply some of this to the perimeter of my hair. Y'all should be used to this by now. Y'all done seen me do this. That's my little baby hair I had up the last time I did my my wig. And I'm not even going to put that back down because I'm just going to make my baby hair. I'm just gonna put a little bit up here. You don't even got, if you want to go around the whole thing. I'm gonna continue to put the lace spray on it. And the way that I'm doing mine, you don't really have to put it on the side because with the band inside the wig and your straps and the combs, she's locked down. She ain't going nowhere. I just want this to lay down so when I apply heat to it, it look like she's coming out of my scalp. You don't have to do much. I didn't even not do much on my birthday night. I just did right here. And if you want to, you can pre-pluck the hairline if you want to, because I know a lot of girls be like, that just looks so wiggy. Do what works best for you, sis. If you want to pluck some of that hair, pluck some of that hair. But I didn't have time that night, and I'm not doing it now. I'm just telling you about the wig, okay? And showing y'all how I installed it. Give me a second. Next part. Remember, you blow dry your hair, you put it on cool. Okay? And I'm not doing all of that. So that's all I'm doing. I'm not doing a whole lot. Remember, y'all, the melting band. If you are a newbie here, this melting band is a band to make your lace front look like it is melting out of your scalp. Okay, so it's a melting band. It lays it down. Okay. Ooh, that hurt. So I'm gonna let this do its thing in the bag, and I'll be back. Okay, so while we're waiting, I told you before that this hair gets tangled and you're gonna need some wig detangler. Okay, so this one is for wigs, balls, and hairpiece and braids. Okay, so this is what I'm using. This is not my number one choice, but I'm using it and I like the smell of it, and it a little bit, it kind of gives its curl back, but it's for human hair and synthetic hair. You'll give it back its shine and life. Okay, so I'm using that one. That's not my first go-to one, but that's what I'm using right now. It brought the curl back. Okay, guys, so now I have left my band on. Let's see. Boom. I'm good with that. It's a little crusty, a little bit, but I'm okay with that. I'm good with it. And the reason why I say I'm good with it, because I'm going to be wearing a side part. Now, if you're wearing straight down, ooh, maybe we should do down the middle today. Because I didn't do down the middle the last time. I did a side part. Oh, look at you. Maybe I should do a middle part. I just feel like that's so much. Definitely have to. I don't know, y'all. I just feel like I did a side part on the last wig I did, and I just feel like this wig should be, I did a middle part, excuse me. I did a middle part the last time I did this wig, and I feel like this wig should be a side part instead of a middle part, but you can do this wig any way y'all want to, okay? You can do the middle part. I'm kind of feeling this middle part, sis. You can curl this hair too. I think you can apply up to so thin it looks like skin. Bare lace hairline. Let's see. She tell you all of her little qualities and stuff. It's bareless. That's how much it is. Okay. Isn't she cute? See, that's what I had on my birthday. But this middle piece is eating though. I'm have to see. Okay, sis in the middle is a middling. Okay, that's my wig cap. It's okay. Color that in. I don't know, y'all. I wasn't planning on doing a middle piece, but I'm liking her in the middle. I used to be a girl that liked middle parts sometimes, but not a lot. But now I do. I don't know, I feel like I have to curl this if I do a middle part. And I'm gonna do a length check in just a second. I'm undecided, y'all. I don't know if I want to do a middle or a side part because it's so cute. It is so cute. So for the ones that want to see how to look at a middle part, this is a middle part, okay? But you can curl it more and get it to go like that. You can do it like that and give it. This is cute, y'all. But we're gonna still do a side part. I'm gonna stick with my side part. She's cute in the middle. Looking grown and sexy. Like what? Yeah, we're gonna do a side. On the side. Okay. Okay, so I didn't glue that down because I'm gonna put my baby hair there. So yeah, I didn't glue that down. Went over there with it, and now we're gonna use our glue. Bing. What I do too, y'all, is I put some up here in the front, and the reason why I do that is because I want that whoosh effect, okay? And I get my electric hot comb. Bingo. Not too hot, y'all. This is synthetic. She's synthetic. She ain't real. This is a synthetica. She ain't real. See? Oh yeah, and be careful because on my birthday, I burnt myself in the forehead with this. So. Not too hot. Y'all will not be coming for me. So, Portia from Beauty for Ashes said to do it, and I never burnt my wig. No, I did not. No, I did not. Don't do that. That's what I said. It goes up to 350. I know you see a little bit of smoke, but don't keep it on there too long. It says right here, 350, between 350 and 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This is not human hair. I know she's beautiful, but this is not human hair, y'all. Okay. I want y'all out here messing y'all wig pieces up. Okay. I'm gonna get you right, not wrong. This is this minute. No. So after I do that, I'm just gonna lay my some baby hair down just a little bit. Okay. I'm already liking how she's sitting. She already sitting pretty, okay? I might put my baby hair down like I did the last time. Yeah, I'm putting my baby hair down. Yeah, I'll be right back, y'all. Okay, y'all, so now we're gonna put a little bit of gel on our baby hair. Sideburns, whatever you wanna call it. I call it baby hair of your choice. Go ahead and put that on there. Okay. Oh, I hope it's not burning. Go ahead and okay, y'all, I went off camera and I already put some makeup in between the part of my hair, and We put some beauty earrings on, and all I did was lay my baby hair down, which y'all saw me do that, and that's it. So now we're gonna do a length check, y'all, okay? So stick with me.